Aloha. My name is Karl Banks, Inset Commander for EPA's ESF-3 Water and Wastewater Mission Assignment. In support of the County of Maui Department of Water Supply, EPA's teams will be testing drinking water quality throughout the burned area. We are testing for volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and semi-volatile organic compounds, SVOCs, that may have been deposited during the fire as a result of toxic gases entering the pipes. During this process, we will be testing the water, and if pipes are determined to be contaminated, the Department of Water Supply will ask EPA to cut and cap those pipes in order to protect the water quality throughout Lahaina. This effort of testing at over 1,500 locations will accelerate the process and allow the Department of Water Supply to restore service for both water and wastewater throughout Lahaina. Mahalo for your support.